Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're making a green chili burger. Okay, so here are the ingredients that we're going to need for our burgers. It's going to be hamburger patties. I'm using frozen 80/20 patties. You can use fresh or you can get ground beef and form your own. I'm using frozen just to make my life easier. American cheese slices. These are just your regular cheese slices. Here I have a mixture of onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, and salt. This is what we're going to sprinkle on our patties as we cook them. Hamburger buns, mayo, mustard, and ketchup. Here are some California chiles that we're going to char. And then here we just have slices of tomato, avocado, red onion, and lettuce. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to start doing is charring our peppers. We're going to want to char them until they're completely char and cooked through. Okay, so now we have our California chiles. They're all charred. We're going to add them to a plastic bag just to allow them to sweat so that they're easier to peel. All right, so I've allowed my peppers to sweat for about 5 minutes in the bag. Now I'm going to peel them and de-seed them and de-stem them. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to cut them into slices. Just like that. Okay, and then put them in my bowl. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing with the rest of my chiles. Okay, and then we're just gonna add them to our bowl. Okay, so once they're in our bowl, we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Once we've added our salt, we're just gonna mix them up. All right, there you go. These are ready to be added to your burger. There you go. Okay, so once our grill is heated up, we're just gonna place our frozen patties and we're gonna place them on there and cover it for 4 minutes. Grill, and I'm gonna sprinkle it with that seasoned mixture. Okay, and then we're gonna let them cook covered for 4 minutes. Okay, so after 4 minutes, we come back and we're gonna flip our burgers. Okay, there you go. And you want to add the seasoning to this side as well. Okay, so we're going to let them cook another 3 minutes with the grill closed. Okay, so this is the point where you want to add your cheese. So I've already allowed it to cook for 3 additional minutes. I like my burgers medium well. If you like them more well done, you would obviously leave it there longer. So I'll add my cheese. And since I'm making double, I'll add the patty on top. So I'm just gonna add my cheese and then put the other burger on the top. So I'll add my cheese and then put the burger on the top. Okay, so here we're gonna close our grill and we're gonna allow it to cook another 2 minutes with the grill closed. Okay, so after an additional 2 to 3 minutes with the cheese, they're ready to be taken off the grill and they're done. Okay, and here are our patties all done and ready to go. Okay, so I'm gonna toast my hamburger buns. Here I have my hot griddle and I have my butter spray. I'm just gonna spray them with butter and heat them up. All right, so our burgers are ready to assemble. Here we have our heated up bun. So we're just gonna add mayo to the top bun. Okay, and then we're gonna add some ketchup. Spread that around. Next, we're gonna add some mustard. All right, okay. Now we're gonna add our hamburger patties. Okay, we're gonna add our peppers. All right, we're gonna add our avocado slices. Our onions, tomatoes, lettuce, okay, top it off, push it down. And there we have our burger, guys. How delicious does that look? Bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.